everybody. It's Jen Thompson. I can't wait to tell you about my newest program launching in 2021, early January. The program is full of information, of motivation and support. All the tools you would need to really get your health on track. And to stay on track, because that seems to be the hardest part about knowing, I need to exercise. I know I need to eat better. How do I get it all together when I live such a busy life? And I'll stay really good for a couple weeks and then I fall off. So how do I fix all this? I gotcha. I got your help. This is a little bit like what I've been doing for years, but with so much more. So much more, because I've got friends involved with me this time around to make it all work seamlessly. So let's dig in. The Jen Fit and Fresh manual / cookbook / journal, it's all here together and it's handed it over to you to be able to follow along with it for the first 30 days to really dive in, to make good, solid changes, set really amazing goals, and in 30 days be like, okay, I got this, but it doesn't stop then. It will go on for a good 6 months total of pure support from me and my friends that I'll be talking about here in a moment to help you stay going with this healthy lifestyle, to help you live a healthier, happier, more fulfilling life. And you can stop finding that next diet, stop finding that next gizmo or gadget to help you with your fitness. It's all gonna be handed over to you that you will have forever. So let's dig in. The things that I'll be discussing with you in those 30 days, the first 30 days, first of all, you start with a one-on-one session with me. Now, if you don't live locally, it's okay, because we can do so much virtually. I can call you, we can do FaceTime. Those things can happen even if you're not local to me. But we start with setting some major goals, okay? Short-term and long-term to help us stay on track, okay? I will talk to you about clean eating and portion control and macronutrients to help you really understand nutrition and what it can do for you. Nutrition is our medicine, and it can be and should be used that way, not use the other medicine if at all possible, when we can work on the things that God put on this earth for us. We'll also talk about fixing all the excuses that seem to pop in the way as well, right? I know I've said them, still do occasionally. We need to continue working on what has been holding you back, the barriers to finding you success in your health. I'll help you clean up your pantry. I will help you go to the store on a budget, right? I'm one of the biggest bargain betties out there. I want things at a really low price, reasonable price, and if all possible, I'm gonna try to find a sale. And I'm gonna help you figure out how you can do this all on a good budget as well. Reading labels, that's a big one. If you don't know what you're putting into your body and you're just going to trust marketing or trust the company, probably won't work out too well for your health. So I'm gonna really help you read labels. Intermittent fasting is another topic we will discuss. Intermittent fasting is amazing for your health, and I will help you find what works for you. And I'll share all of my experiences along the way too. So it's always good to see that, oh, someone else has experienced things too. I'm gonna help you eliminate toxins and detox our body from these toxins that have held onto us. I'm gonna share with you my pantry list. I'm gonna share with you great grocery lists to make your meals from and how to meal plan very, very wisely. When we have emotions blocking us, that can be a major problem too and leads to many excuses. We're gonna work on emotional eating. We're gonna work on emotional control in general. And I have a very good friend in this program, Lisa, who is going to help us release some of these emotions that are holding us back from having really great health. We'll talk more about that in a moment. Some more alternative therapies that are involved in this are eye readings, iridology, or foot detoxes. They're very powerful in helping us lead to better health. So Jennifer Cheeseman is involved in this program as well. Couldn't be happier to have Lisa and Jennifer on board.
Do they have all these chairs too?
I have one more friend that is going to be helping you and I with this program. It's Dr. Carr. Here in Fort Recovery, he's our chiropractor, and he believes too, spinal health helps you lead to healthier overall health. So getting an adjustment or having a session with him to understand spinal health and what it can do for you is involved in this program. So I have 34 more recipes in here that I use on a regular basis here at my house with my family. So very family friendly. And then there's 30 days of journal sheets in here. I'm just gonna show you that. So you have this powerful manual here in front of you to go through the first 30 days being, I'm gonna say it, pretty strict. I'm gonna be helping you though every step of the way. 30 days. You'll have online help from me daily. I will be posting something that's walking you through this manual for the first 30 days. You won't be alone at any point in this process. And then after the 30 days, we'll do another assessment. Figure out what happened, what kind of changes were made in those first 30 days. And then it preps us for the next month, right? At the end of the next month, we do another one-on-one session. And the next month, a total of 6 months of really solid support. Accountability is so very important. You're 67% more likely to reach your goals if you have good accountability. Now you're gonna have me, you're gonna have Lisa, Jennifer, and Doc Carr all on your side. Plus, you'll have the online community of people that are trying to do very similar things as you. Get healthy and stay healthy and stop going on that next diet and that next thing and that next thing. It's gonna take some work, I know, and no one wants to hear that, but it will be beneficial to you in the long run. Now, at the end of 6 months, you get a t-shirt, a fun t-shirt just to be proud to wear after your successes. Now, that support does not end at 6 months either. It continues for another forever. Oh, I won't say there's an end date because there doesn't have to be an end date. You'll stay on this online community and new friends will keep adding into this community. All the people that go through this program will be there for you or each other to stay accountable and to stay on this mission of good health. Nutrition is your medicine. You don't have to take the other stuff. You don't have to be low energy. You don't have to wait for your doctor to give you a diagnosis. Let's beat that system. Let's beat the sick care system and actually be a healthcare system for ourselves. Take the initiative now to work on your nutrition for you and for your family, to find daily movement in your life and understand how to work out appropriately for your body. Let's stay injury-free and feel our best. I know you can, and I'm here to help. So is Lisa and Jennifer and Doc Carr. I am pumped to start this program with you all. So if you're interested, please reach out to me. Actually, subscribe to this channel because I'll keep adding some more things onto here so you can get your information firsthand. There is a community of support and help around you. Are you going to take advantage of that and use it? Use it. Now, in this program, the total cost of the program is $300. Now, that gets you sessions with Lisa and Jennifer and Doc Carr. It gets you a sauna session at the studio, Generation, and it gets all of my one-on-one coaching as well for 6 months. all right? It gets you the online group of me showing up for you every day for 6 months. That's amazing, right? It gets you our phone numbers, our emails, our contacts. Whenever you have a problem, you can call on us. This is an amazing value. And feel better. Feel amazing in the new year and then forever. All right, I can't wait to hear questions from you or to hear that you're ready to sign up. Again, like and subscribe to the channel so you can keep getting good information from me, and reach out to me and we'll sign you up for that first group starting in January. Hope to see you then.